Our 300 series under bonnet plug and play dual battery system is available now. No drilling needed. Let me introduce you to it. We supply a new battery tray, hold down clamps and brackets, fuse holders on top of that for easy installation. We'll also have a BCDC bracket. You can get this whole kit pre-wired with the BCDC charger. Also, there is a solenoid on your battery tray for jump starting capability. We've got a solar input plug. It comes pre-wired with a 4-meter cable to install an override switch inside the cap. This kit enables you to install a 105 amp hour AGM battery under the bonnet, right next to a DIN 65 battery, which replaces the start battery. We've started manufacturing for this product now. You can pre-order straight away. To get more information about this product, please find the link in our bio. Go to our website perthpro.com.au or get in touch with us directly through our website. Better do, don't miss out, this is a market first.